Guys, today I show you how to change miles to kilometers in Waze. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Tap the menu or search icon. Then go to settings. Scroll down and tap general. In the general settings, look for distance units or units, depending on your device and app version. Tap on it, then select kilometers instead of miles. Once you make the change, Waze will automatically display distances, arrival information, and navigation instructions using kilometers instead of miles. If you don't see the option right away, make sure your Waze app is updated to the latest version, as some settings may appear differently depending on your device or software version. That's all you need to do. Your navigation will now use kilometers whenever you plan a route or start driving. And that's how to change miles to kilometers in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.